Guys, welcome to another brand new video. So today we'll do another Daraz unboxing. This is the part 3 of this Daraz unboxing part maybe, yeah. And this time my unboxing is a little bit small. Last two videos are of headphone, but this one is a little bit surprise. We will see what it is inside. Okay, not a surprise. I like to say my previous tripod, which was given my Choto Mama, has a little bit cracked, and I have to link that up with a little glue, super glue, and that has been used currently for this video, which is a little bit okay. It's going. So let's see that. Let's unbox this video. Before that, see the intro. Guys, let's start the unboxing. You can see there is not so much crap here, so let's see what it is here. We just scratch it like this, and like this. As you can see properly, I hope cameraman doesn't make any mistake. I think I will do a cutting here. Yeah, here I go. I hope I don't cut the material itself. Like one time I ordered something, that time I destroyed the full keyboard because of my rush in unboxing, so that's why now I'm a little bit, I guess I'm a pro like this. I'll not feel like this. So this is my package, blah blah blah. Oh, it doesn't get away. So let's see what is inside. Come on. Where is this? Man, this is making me very much. So big unboxing video, and the packet is so small. So let's see what's inside. Okay, it's looking very much. Hopefully this product is okay from Daraz. They always makes me mad because of their waste products. And this is not so much costly. I guys bought it for 100 taka. So let's see what's happening. Okay, it's taking a little bit more than expected. Yeah. They have, for this small product, they have done so much packaging. Maybe they are professional in this job. So the packet is getting smaller by smaller when I'm opening. So you can see this packet is, hopefully I don't destroy it. I'll try to cut it away. Yeah. Okay, it is a little bit opened. Yeah, it has opened. So guys, you can see this is something. Okay, throw this away. So this is the thing I have ordered. This is the thing which is broken in my previous tripod. Hopefully it will get stuck. And this is maybe the stand. But this one, it's very small. My one is okay. My stand is okay on this tripod. I just fix it with my old one stop. So you can see this small tripod. Is it a tripod, you can say? Or you can watch any movies maybe. Yeah, like this. You can fix it like this. Nicely. Yes. Oh man. I hope it does. You can see it's fixed. Yeah. And now I'll fix the mobile and see is it fixed or not. You can stretch it like this. It doesn't get stretched, man. Oh, I have fixed it. You can see. I fixed it with the previous tripod like this. IQ 1000. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please give like and subscribe and share as much as possible. Anna's vlogs. Goodbye.